Okay, here we are doing another vehicle recovery. We're using our kinetic rope kits. It's important to match your kinetic rope to your vehicle. You want 2 to 3 times the vehicle mass for the rope. In this recovery, we're using our 8Ks. With our 8K rope, we actually have 2 kits available. We have kit 1 and kit 2. First one we got here in its clear type bag, we've got the 8K rope, the kinetic rope, and we've got 2 of the 9K shackles. These shackles are great if you're using our soft anchor points or rounded recovery points. In an emergency, using it on a sharp edge recovery point won't break the shackles immediately, but over time you will start to wear them out. If you do have sharp edge recovery points and or you're doing a lot of recoveries, we would recommend that you move to our 10K HDX shackles. These are tightly bound with a Technora binding from the Kevlar family. It's a very strong, cut resistant binding, can go through those sharp edge recovery points, no problem at all. So when you're looking at a recovery kit, make sure you match it to your needs.